If you are an entrepreneur or business enthusiastic looking to dive into the business opportunities or expand your business into the UK, welcome to today's video in which we'll be dwelling into the reasons why the UK is an excellent place for the business. Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY&J Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. So number one is a strategic location and access to global markets. UK is situated at the crossroads of Europe and provides unparalleled access to global markets. With its world-class infrastructure, including international airports and shipping ports, business can easily import and export goods, connecting with customers and suppliers worldwide. Setting up your business in the UK gives you access to England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland for business expansion, where each region has its own culture. Whether you are a small startup or a multinational corporation, the UK's strategic location opens doors to new opportunities and growth prospects, in my opinion. The number two is the highly skilled workforce and innovation ecosystem. Renowned for its leading universities and research institutes, the UK attracts top talent from around the globe with diverse talent and expertise are highly skilled in their field. The UK's labor laws are more flexible than the lot of other European countries. You can also hire and sponsor global talent from overseas through the UK's point-based system, which makes it easier to attract highly skilled foreign employees to work for you. The third and next one is the business-friendly regulatory requirement. When it comes to regulation, transparency and simplicity are key. The UK government actively support businesses with streamlined company formation process, favorable tax incentives and regulatory framework that promote growth and innovation. In comparison with the rest of the EU, the UK is one of the easiest countries to do business in. Especially for startups, the UK makes it easy for both newcomers and foreign nationals to get started with setting up their company. The fourth one is the access to funding and investment opportunities. Securing funding is crucial for many businesses for their growth, and the UK offers abundant opportunities. From venture capital firms to government grants and crowdfunding platforms, businesses in the UK have access to a diverse range of funding options to fuel their expansion plans and drive innovation. The UK government has created an enterprise zone to further incentivize business expansion and investment in the UK. The fifth and final agenda is the cultural diversity and quality of life. So beyond business, the UK offers a rich tapestry of cultures and a high quality of life for residents and overseas nationals alike. From city street to countryside, the UK provides a welcoming and inclusive environment for people from all walks of life. Finally, I want to add about resilience and stability. Despite global uncertainties, the UK's strong economic fundamentals and adaptive capabilities ensure business continuity and growth opportunities. Whether facing challenges like Brexit or global economic fluctuations, businesses in the UK can count on supportive ecosystem that encourages resilience, innovation, and long-term success. So in today's video, we have gone through why UK remains an excellent destination to set up a business or to expand your business. If you are an entrepreneur looking to move to the UK from overseas and establish your business, we have curated a self-sponsored visa route to make this possible. Can I ask you all a favor? If you enjoy this content, could you please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? It helps us massively and I appreciate you all. Do you need help with your UK immigration matter? If yes, please complete a short inquiry form which you will find in the description section below now. Thank you for watching. Do you need help? If yes, contact us on this number which is on your screen or fill a short inquiry form which is in the description section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more content on life in the UK test.